Guys, we all know Nike, Adidas, and how big the brand is. We also know that. And whenever something new product comes in the market, we all go and we purchase it. What is this? This is the branding, guys. And when it comes to us, we should also create the personal branding. This is the topic of today's where I'm going to talk about personal branding. And my name is Vikram. So we need to create the personal branding for our own self. We need to have that attention. We need to grab the attention of the people. And where we get this attention? We need to get this attention from everywhere. And where are the people? Where peoples are available on all the social media platform, all the social apps which are there outside. We should be present over there, and we should add some values in others' life when it comes to creating the personal branding. What does Nike and Adidas do? They have that some valuable thing. They have that valuable product, and when it comes in the market, it gets sold. People buy it. People love it. People take, and people use it. So, what is that you are doing on social media? What is that? How is that you are getting the attention? And I will tell you how to get the attention. You need to create videos. You need to create posts. You need to create podcast, or you need to create some blogs which will add values to other people, which will have something information, which will be knowledgeable to some other person. So we should always post something. We should always create videos, or we should always create posts or blogs, anything, any kind of post where it add values to the people. And when there is something where people get values, when people know that there is something valuable in it, people automatically will consume it. And social media is the best platform where you can start getting the attention and start posting the contents. And how you will get the opportunity? Whenever you are posting all this content, whenever you are trying to create videos, or whenever you are trying to create a blogs or a short film or any ebook, and you are posting it on social media, you will get the opportunity, so that you can reach out to all the big brands and showcase that what all you have done. And you can tell them that this all are the contents which I have created, and this will be helpful for your brand also. So create those content. Make sure that you are present on all the social media platforms. And once you have created number of contents, when you have created more number of videos, or more number of posts, or more number of blogs which will add values in some others people, in their life, in some people's life, then you can reach out to all the big brands. You can follow their pages, and you can start dropping them message, and they will connect with you. So guys, personal branding is really very important. And personal branding is we get the personal branding by the attention. We need to get the attention. Until and unless you have that attention, no one will know you. The Nike and Adidas does the same thing. They have grabbed the attention, and they have created that buzz that people know them by the word of mouth, just as I said in the starting of the video. So people should know you. People should know what brand you are and what are the values you are adding to in some others people life, so that people also will start recognizing you. People will also start following you. People also will start knowing you. And when we keep on doing this on the continuous basis, when we add values in people's life, when we create those contents where it can help people, then we will also start getting opportunities. So guys, go all in. Make sure that you are present on all the social platforms. Yes, we all are present, but make sure that you post content, post blogs, where it will add values to the people, where it will give some information to the people. And when it is done, you will start creating your personal branding. Hope you loved this video, and if you like, please comment, please share, and think about this. Start creating the personal branding of your own self.